Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and change up the cab lights on Mega Cab. They're gonna be, instead of amber, they're gonna be white. It's a simple install. Let me go ahead and show you guys how to do it. There's only a few tools you need. You don't need to go crazy with tools, okay? So let's go ahead and check this out. First things first, here are the Gorecon ones. And it's as really simple as you need a T20. So I used this T20 right here, took it out, and then you're gonna need one of these things. You kind of use these like to run like cables against like the side of your gaskets, or if you have the ones to take out the clips on your door panels, you can use that. I had this one from like a how you call it, when I was installing my dash cam, and you just kind of push it along the side right here, push up, and it comes right out after you take out the screw. And then you got to push down a clip that you have right here down, and comes right out, and then you put it back in. Really simple. These are the Recon ones right here. They have them in clear, they have them in this tinted color, and they have them in amber and white, and obviously we're going with the white ones. Comes with all their stuff that you need, another seal, and the screws. Let's go ahead and get this thing done. So as you guys can see, like I said, you take out the screw, you put the thing right beneath it, you lift it up, and it kind of comes up, and then you kind of like pull it a bit towards the back, and it comes right back out. And this is the clip I'm telling you guys about right here. All you do is just push it back, and it comes right out. So let's go ahead and do the rest. Alright, as you guys can see, we took them all off. Now we just gotta take these things off. I kind of removed the clip on one of them. Just be careful you don't lose the clip, and just simply plug and play. Alright guys, so make sure you put this this gasket, make sure you put this gasket behind this right here before you do anything else, and put the seals on these screws that come with it. Now you're not going to use the T20 anymore. You're going to be using an Allen key. This is a 2.5 Allen key that we're going to be using. And yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing back together. Then afterwards, you're going to push it down at an angle, and then it clips right back down. Grab your screw, put it in there. It's really hard because I don't have this. I mean, I don't know if you can just use the same ones again. Just for shits. We're gonna use these. Kind of, you know what? Let's go ahead and use the original ones. I'm not gonna put these back on here. Yeah, let's not use these. We'll be back. Alright, let's finish it and put the rest on the other ones. Alright guys, so this is how it ended up turning out with the Gorecon lights. Super bright, stand out, better than the Ambers. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like it. We got more stuff coming soon.